Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how you can create group chat on a Gmail application. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Gmail application on our phone. Then after we have our Gmail application opened, we can tap on this button. But if this button hasn't appeared on your Gmail, you can activate it on your Gmail setting. Then after you have this feature or this button activated on your Gmail, you can tap on this button. Then you can click on use space right here. And after that, you can tap on the create a space. Then you can name your group chat right here. For example, I'm going to name it my group chat. You can also put a description for your group chat, but it's optional, so you can skip this step. And after that, you can click on next. Okay, and we're going to add people to our group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account. Okay, and also this one. And after we're done adding people to our group chat, we can simply tap on done, and the group chat will be created on our Gmail. Okay, as you can see now, the group chat has been created and we can start chatting on this group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on Gmail application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next tutorial.